Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the problem Move Zeroes number 283, easy LeetCode question. The problem description is given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. There is a note over here that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So here is an example. The provided array is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. We need to bring the zeros to the end of the array while maintaining the relative order of the elements, which is 1, 3, 12. So 1 comes before 3, 3 comes 12 before 12. So order is maintained 1, 3, 12, and the zeros are at the end. And we have to do this in place without making a copy of the array. So let's begin with writing up a solution and talking about the space complexity and the time complexity. So for this, there could be many other ways, but my way of coming up with the solution is with using the 2 pointers, maintaining in the array that will keep track of the count of the zeros, and using the zeros count, we can put all the zeros to the end while maintaining the array relative order of the elements, non-zero elements. So let's begin writing the code. Int zeros count. This is one of my pointer, and I will have to traverse through the array, entire array, so that I will be having int I0, I less than nums dot length, I plus plus, and I will be comparing if and only if nums of I is not equal to 0, then I will be having in the zeros count index, I will be placing the element. So this way we know how many zeros are in the array, and once we are done with this for loop, we will try to fill in the array. Is nums dot length, I plus plus, and since we know the index of the zeros count, then we can just use it in our for loop and just fill it with zeros. Let's try to run the code. So something wrong. Let's see what could be wrong. Here we are not incrementing the zero index. Yeah, we should be maintaining the zeros count index pointer. So to basically maintain the relative order of the elements, and or as well count the number of zeros, so that we can use it in the next for loop from where to really replace the zeros in the array. So let's now run the code. Hey, yeah, this works. And let's submit the code. Yeah, the runtime is 0 milliseconds and faster than 100% of Java Online submissions. And the time complexity, let's talk about the time complexity. Since we traverse through the array and the number of elements are n, the big O of this problem solution will be O of n. And since we are doing it in place and not creating a separate array, so it will be the space complexity of this problem will be O of 1, which is in place. I hope you like this video. You understood the solution and the space complexity and the time complexity. Please do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.